All right, more boxes coming up here from Miami 2017. Is going to jump on over to the 18-19 Prizm Choice Basketball. Love man. See if we can hit another Nebula parallel. And crushing the Nebulas. Millsap. Russell Westbrook. Cody Zeller. Autograph. Followed by an Eli Kobo. Tiger Stripe. Thaddeus Young to 88. Joker, Lyles, and Mitchell Robinson. Top again. All right, John Wall. Nice. Silver, Doncic. There you go. Sweet. Zach LaVine autograph. Patrick Ewing and Tobias Harris, both 88. Jackson, Robinson, Ish Smith. All right, nice one, Luka. Take that. His mom did not sign that one. Just saying. Box number 3. Another Tiger Stripe coming. Jason Tatum. Truth, Paul Pierce. Harrison Barnes. Autograph. Here's a nice red parallel. Jaren Jackson. Rookie to 88. And then Seth Curry. The Tiger Stripe. Joker. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar and D'Angelo Russell. Sense of theme going on here. The man likes the top. Who doesn't? Who doesn't? All right. Dillon Brooks. Miles Turner. We have a Kevin Huerter. Sensational signatures. Big O, Oscar Robertson. Teodosic to 88. Siakam, Stanley Johnson, Otto Porter Jr. All right, another nice silver. Kevin Knox. I should get 2 silver rookies in this. A Kovalik in there as well. You got a Kyrie Thomas. KT. Auto. Marcus Morris to 88. And you got the Svi Tiger Stripe as well. Decent pack there. Collins, Richardson, and Chandler. Dump the trash here in a sec. Top again. Man says never leave a box behind. More Tiger. Tobias Harris, Ish Smith, Jose Calderon autograph. Followed by Bogdan Bogdanovic. Tiger Stripe, Jeremy Lin to 88. Anunoby, Zaire Smith, and the Polish Hammer. And I'm guessing we are finishing. Finish him. You got it, man. All right, Ginobili. Ronda Hollis Jefferson. Anthony Simons. Rookie signatures. Aaron Holiday to 88. Harrison Barnes to 88. Trae Young. Nice piece. Jaylen Brown and Baron Davis. All right. Appreciate it, buddy. We got a couple nice silver rookies in there. A couple nice ones to 88. The Trae. I'll get it all packed up and out ASAP.